Hello everyone, welcome back to Initial Solution. In this tutorial, I will show you how to find pages you follow on Facebook. So let's begin the video. First, open the Facebook app. Next, go to your profile. Scroll down your profile page and tap on the About section. Then again click here. In the About section, scroll down until you find the following section. Tap on Following to view all the pages you follow. Here you will see a list of all the pages you have followed on Facebook. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to Initial Solution for more quick and easy tutorials. Thanks for watching. This video is sponsored by Girosoft. Girosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Girosoft today. For more details, check the description box.